Hey there! If you're in the market for a residential proxy provider, you definitely need to watch this video. I'm going to compare two of the top players right now, LunaProxy and Cliproxy. By the end, you're bound to find the residential proxy service that fits your needs. First up, let's look at their plans. LunaProxy offers dynamic residential proxies, static residential proxies, unlimited residential proxies, plus 2 specialized options: data center proxies and rotating residential proxies. Think of these last two as customized solutions based on their dynamic and static proxies. Now, Cliproxy's main offerings are also static residential proxies, dynamic residential proxies, and unlimited residential proxies. Their static option includes a short duration plan, which is pretty unique. For dynamic proxies, you can choose between IP quantity-based or traffic-based billing. Their unlimited plan also lets you choose billing by ports or bandwidth, depending on your business needs. Next, let's compare pricing using their dynamic residential proxy traffic plans. LunaProxy offers 1,000 GB for an average cost of 0.77 per GB. Cliproxy, however, offers 1,000 GB at an average of just 0.66 per GB. Now, as many of you know, contacting support for large plans often gets you final discounts. I can tell you, even after those discounts, Cliproxy remains significantly cheaper than LunaProxy. We're talking a much lower price point. I know what some of you might be thinking. If it's cheaper, is the IP pool smaller or the quality worse? Well, let's put that to the test. I'll set up a port with each service and run actual tests on their residential proxy quality. The setup is straightforward for both. Just extract the IPs and configure them in your anti-detect browser profiles. I'll fast forward through the setup and jump straight to the ready browsers. All right, here we go. These are the browser windows configured with each provider's IPs. Now I'll use both to visit IPinfo and Scamalytics to check the actual IP quality. I'll fast forward the testing process too. You can see the results from these third-party sites side by side and draw your own conclusions. I won't editorialize here. And there you have the results. So if you need residential proxies right now, I recommend going with Cliproxy. Based on this head-to-head comparison, you can see Cliproxy delivers extremely competitive pricing without sacrificing top-notch IP quality. In fact, many top players in the industry are already using Cliproxy's residential IPs for their operations. Want to try it yourself? Check the description box below this video. I'm dropping a batch of CDK redemption codes you can use to get IP credit.